Packaging designers are responsible for creating the look and structure of packaging for products. They work with materials like cardboard, plastic, and glass to design packaging that is both practical and attractive. Their job is to make sure the packaging protects the product, catches customers' attention, and matches the brand's image. They often use computer software to design and test their ideas, and work closely with marketing teams, printers, and manufacturers. A junior designer might earn around £20,000 to £25,000 a year, while someone with more experience can earn between £30,000 and £45,000. In senior roles or in larger companies, salaries can go up to £60,000 or more. Designers working in cities like London may earn more due to higher living costs. To become a packaging designer, most people start by studying subjects like graphic design, product design, or industrial design at college or university. A relevant degree is often required, and having a strong portfolio of creative work is important when applying for jobs. Some people also get into the role through apprenticeships or junior design positions, learning skills on the job. Good drawing skills, creativity, and knowledge of design software are all useful in this career.